Citing a book isn't as straightforward as you might think it is. If your book is edited, you would see that on the title page that it was edited by somebody. You then have to cite each chapter separately that you're using because each chapter is by a different author usually. So you would go to print or in hand, and then you would choose book. And then you would expand this chapter or section part. You'd put in the information about your chapter, and you would choose chapter or section here unless you're reciting the introduction or one of these other pieces. Put the title and the page numbers, and then you would put the book information here, or you can import the book information from the ISBN number. However, another option might be in an edited book that the article is a reprinted article, meaning it was originally printed in some other book or magazine or journal, but you found it in this book. And in that case, you would have something like this underneath the article, either at the bottom of the page of the first page or like this one, which is underneath an excerpt of an article. This one, this is the author, and this is the title of the article, Under the Harlem Shadow, a study of Jessie Fawcett and Nella Larson. And it was found in something called The Harlem Renaissance Remembered. And I know that this is a book, The Harlem Renaissance Remembered, because it has a year of publication instead of a date like a magazine or newspaper would have. And it is edited by somebody, and we don't usually put that in citations that are for a book or a magazine. That are for a newspaper or magazine. So I know that this article, it was originally published in a book, but then I found it in a different book. Now, this next one by Claudia Tate, this is the title of the article that is being reprinted here, and it was in something called Black American Literature Forum. It has a volume number and a season and a year, and those are all clues that this is an academic journal that it was originally printed in. So when you come across something that is a reprint, you would create a new citation, do print or in hand, and cite reprinted article. And then you have to make that decision. So like the first one that I looked at, I knew it was from a book. The second one I looked at, I knew it was from a journal. And through time, you'll be able to figure that out better. But you can always Google it if you don't know if it's a journal, magazine, newspaper, or book. So the second one I looked at was a journal. So then this top part is about the journal article, that little part that I was just looking at. And the second part was about the collection that I have in my hand. And you would say if it's a reprint or an excerpt, and then fill out the information from the book in your hand, or you could import that part from the ISBN number. This part you have to get from that little section that was saying who wrote the article from here. I hope that is helpful. Please ask if you have any questions.